Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So today's video is sponsored by Luvme Hair Company and I'm so excited. So without any further ado guys, let's get straight into today's video so that you can see how I achieved this look. By the way guys, this wig is very lightweight. Like, I do not feel like I'm wearing anything. Like, it is giving lightweight, okay? But that's because the tracks on this wig, they are very thin, okay? So let's get straight into today's video so that you can see exactly what I mean. And by the way guys, this wig is pre-everything. It came like this. The only thing that I did was just to separate these water wave curls, and this is how I'm looking, okay? Like a 10 out of 10 minus nothing. Look how full this wig is. I'm happy guys, period.
I could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss.
So as usual guys, I'm quickly going to show you all the goodies from Luvme Hair Company. This is their box. It is written Luvme Hair and with this little cute bow. Let me show you all the goodies, okay? The first thing that they were kind enough to send me was this Luvme Hair storage bag, a branded Luvme Hair lace band, and of course an HD wig cap. Okay, now let's see this baby. She is very lightweight but full, okay? I'm impressed, okay? She's very lightweight. Straight out of the box, this is how she's looking. Oh my goodness, the water wave curls, look how shiny they are. Look at this, they are nice and bouncy. Oh my goodness, she is very lightweight, okay? This is how she's looking, okay? They hot combed the front part. They did a parting for us. Look at it. It is a 5x5 lace closure wig, and it is pre-cut. They literally done everything for you. This wig has 3 combs, 2 on the side, 1 here at the back, and of course it has this non-slip lace band. So I've noticed that the wig is very lightweight but with the same hair density as your normal wig. So guys, this wig is skin friendly and ultra thin wig cap. It brings bigger comfort. As you all can see, it is nice and stretchy. As I told you guys, it feels very lightweight, but look at the density. The density of this hair is absolutely gorgeous, okay? It is nice and full. So guys, I've got 2 wig tracks with the same density, but this is a Luvme Hair wig track and I'm going to show you how thin it is. So here are the 2 hair tracks guys. This is much thicker and of course this one is much thinner. Very thin, okay? Look at this, very thin and lightweight. This is thick, okay? So Luvme Hair said, baby, we are going thin, okay? We are going thin, we are going lightweight. So as usual guys, this video is self-explanatory, so I'm just gonna put on this baby right here, who is very lightweight, Effortless, very stretchy, okay? I am obsessed. So if you are a cute girl with a little bit of a big head, you are going to fit perfectly, okay? This wig is going to fit you perfectly. Don't worry, Luvme Hair, they've got us covered, okay? Wow guys, I haven't done anything to the wig. I haven't done anything to the curls. As much as this wig has ultra thin tracks, it does not mean the density is not the same. Look how full it is without me having to even touch it. I haven't even done anything to the curls, and let's just nicely separate the curls and let me show you guys that this wig can get even bigger, okay? Like, it is lightweight. I love everything about this wig. When I tell you that these water wave curls are nice and big and soft, look at this, look at this. And to top it off, this wig is lightweight, okay? Look at this. I love it. I'm using my hands. You can use wide tooth comb to separate the curls. They're so big and full. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. Yes, memes. Yes, curly memes, okay? They don't call me curly memes for nothing, and Luvme Hair is making sure that you know what, look at this. without doing anything to the curls, baby. So guys, just because the wig tracks are thin, it doesn't mean this wig's density changes. Okay, look how full it is. It is absolutely full. The volume of this wig is insane. Okay, and it can get bigger than this. All right, it can literally get bigger than this. And all you need to do to define the curls, you can only use water and conditioner, and they will just bounce back. Okay, just like that. Look at me. I'm beautiful. Okay.
Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want.
And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, do follow me on Instagram at Curly Memes. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information, and of course for direct links to purchase this gorgeous water wave wig from Luvme Hair Company. Until next time, bye guys.